Have you ever wondered about cervical cancer? What it is, how it manifests, and most importantly, how can we take precautions against it? If so, you're in the right place. Cervical cancer, a type of cancer that occurs in the cells of the cervix, the lower part of the uterus that connects to the vagina, is a significant global health issue. Various strains of the human papillomavirus, a sexually transmitted infection, play a part in causing most cervical cancer. When exposed to HPV, the body's immune system typically prevents the virus from doing harm. However, in a small group of women, the virus survives for years, contributing to the process that causes some cervical cells to become cancer cells. Symptoms of cervical cancer often do not appear until the cancer is advanced and has spread. That's why it's crucial for women to have regular screening tests to detect any changes in the cervix that might lead to cervical cancer. Some common symptoms include pelvic pain, abnormal bleeding, and pain during intercourse. If you notice any of these symptoms, it's essential to consult a healthcare professional immediately. Remember, early detection is key in the fight against cervical cancer. Now, how can we take precautions against cervical cancer? The first and foremost step is regular screenings. Pap tests can detect precancerous conditions of the cervix, so they can be monitored or treated in order to prevent cervical cancer. Another important precaution is the HPV vaccination. It's available to both men and women, and it can protect against the types of HPV most likely to cause cervical cancer. Safe sexual practices also play a significant role in prevention. Using a condom, getting regular STD checks, and limiting the number of sexual partners can all help to reduce the risk of HPV and subsequently cervical cancer. To summarize, cervical cancer is a serious health issue, but one that can often be prevented through regular screening and the HPV vaccination. Its symptoms, including pelvic pain and abnormal bleeding, often do not appear until the cancer is advanced, underlining the importance of regular checkups. By practicing safe sex and getting regular screenings, we can all take a proactive role in preventing this disease. Remember, knowledge is power, and being informed about issues like cervical cancer is the first step in safeguarding our health. And that wraps up our discussion on cervical cancer, its symptoms and precautions. For more informative videos like this one, stay tuned to the Top10 DotCom channel. Until next time, stay curious, stay informed, and most importantly, stay healthy.